news, we'll definitely be following it up for you very prudently. Now, the county government of Garissa has acquired 10 portable ultrasound machines worth 6.5 million Kenya shillings while issuing out the equipment in the Dadaab Sub-County Hospital. Machine Health Chief Officer and the County Reproductive Health Coordinator, Mohammed Gure, said the equipment will help in reducing maternal and newborn mortalities. Garissa County has been recording high number of pregnancy-related deaths, with the United Nations Population Fund reporting 208 maternal deaths from the region in 2014. Health officers at the Dadaab Sub-County Hospital have undergone training to adequately provide better health services to expectant mothers.
This hospital had never had an ultrasound machine. They have been referring their patients to the refugee hospitals, of which the mothers used to suffer a lot. Some of them, when the nurse in the MCH refers, go and do an ultrasound in the other facilities, sometimes they lose hope and they go back home. And many mothers have been losing babies because we could not ascertain the status of the fetus at an early stage.
We have seen there's very motivated staff in this facility. With the little resources, they have been doing a lot to cater many areas surrounding, especially the